Hi guys, and welcome to week 5 of a 12-week fall cleaning challenge. I will have week 6 blog post linked down below with the list for next week's challenge. And if you are wondering what I'm talking about, I will also have the challenge invitation with all the rules and all the instructions linked down below. So this week was totally a week that I didn't expect was going to happen, so it messed up my schedule a little bit, and things that I was doing, I didn't get it all done. So this week I set out a list to do all the lights, and then from last week I had to clean my fridge, freezer, and my oven. So I did not get to do my oven. To be quite truthful, it's not actually even that bad, so I've just moved it to do the following week. To do after Thanksgiving. Once I did all the turkey and pie cooking, I was gonna do that. But I did manage to get everything else done. So without getting too much into it, on Monday I've noticed my dog wasn't doing so well and it escalated pretty fast, and we had to put him down on Thursday. So that's all that I'm gonna say about that, because it's too hard for me to talk about it. Maybe I will talk about it at a later day. So to clean all the light fixtures, I took all the domes down and washed them, and then for the big chandeliers, I did not take them apart. I just dusted them and then wiped them down with just a damp microfiber cloth.
It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I'm not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't...
For these lights in the kitchen, I did spray them with window cleaner and wipe them down. They're just too complicated to completely take apart. I don't mind doing it once a year, but this wasn't the time to do that.
No, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, yeah. They calling me a mad woman, calling me a mad woman. No, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business.
So usually I do about every week I clean out all the stuff that needs to be cleaned out, leftovers that didn't get eaten, or if there's any fruits and veggies that are on their way out. But I didn't do that last week, so there was a bit more work to do that. But generally when I do this deep cleaning, I like to take everything out and I use a vacuum to vacuum up all the crumbs, and then I wipe it down.
It's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Cleaning, I had found this vinegar and water with lemon essential oil spray at my grocery store. I know I can make one. This was really inexpensive, so I just picked one up and it worked really well.
frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. You stare at your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day, well, that's not okay.
This deep freezer is, I swear, a dumping ground for all the stuff that needs to go into the freezer downstairs. When I'm in a rush, I'll just throw it in saying, oh, I'll go do it, take it down later. And I typically don't do it until I'm actually running out of space. So in this deep freezer, because it's in my kitchen, I like to keep things like freezer meal breakfasts. I keep my bread and my husband's bread and English muffins in here because they're all the Ezekiel sprouted wheat, so they don't do well out. So I like to keep them frozen and just thaw them out as I need them. And then I like to keep all my herbs that I had harvested here, as well as some frozen fruits and vegetables. As you can see, there's much more than that here. So I brought one of those 31 totes, and I put all the things that need to go downstairs in it, so it's easy for me to take things downstairs. Having been using these baskets, I will link the video how I organized it for the very first time with these baskets. The cleanup of the deep freezer is so much easier. I remember before that the bottom would have so much stuff in it, like crumbs and little things. As you can see, there's still a little bit there, but nothing comparing to what it used to be. So the baskets definitely are working really well here. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a Monday motivation that you needed to get things done around your house. Just remember, you can jump in and participate in this challenge at any time. And for those of you that have participated, thank you so much. And all of you watching, thank you so much for watching. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to consider subscribing. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you all next time.